There are so many great cookies in this magazine, and the pictures are beautiful. I mean, I look at them when I'm not even cooking. I just have to page through this book, and it just is exciting and beautiful and eye-catching. And the recipes are just as eye-catching and delicious. They are really out of this world flavors. So, like, just a few examples: espresso, mocha chocolate chip. It's decadent with a touch of cinnamon. There's a very airy pecan potato chip cookie. Such different ingredients combined in such light and airy ways. There's also a brown butter macadamia delicious tulle cookie, which you don't even know what it is until you try it. It's so delicious. So it's a very easy book to follow. Most of them are one bowl cookies. They're just delicious, and when people try them, they are amazed, and they will actually insist that you make more, and you will definitely gain more fans.